concept of bearing. And we'll start with definition. What is bearing? Bearing can simply be defined as a distance that is measured in angles. Yes, it's a distance that is measured in angles. I quickly want to put to you the three basic properties, yes, that are very peculiar to bearing. Yes, before then, I need you to know that bearing is basically represented in cardinal points, which you are familiar with: the north, the south, the east, and the west. Yes, so first of all, you must note and know that bearing is degrees from bearing is read from the north. Yes, measurement is taken from the north, and it is taken clockwise. So it's taken from the northern pole and taken clockwise. That's noted. And you also need to note that the values on bearings are represented in threefold numbers. I will explain that in threefold numbers. What I mean is this: first of all, the reading is from 0 degree all the way down to 90 degree, all the way down to 180 degree, all the way down to 270 degree, and back to 360 degree. So, for instance, I want to represent my 40 degree northeast on bearing is on this form, or the gravity is 45 degree or 40 degree. I read that it's another 40 here degree, but it is wrong to write it this way. I'm trying it in threefold. I can 0, 4, 0 degree, then write north, east. So it has to be in threefold when we're writing bearing. Though we have some school of thought that have it in twofold, it doesn't actually make anything worse or bad, but so that you can know that the highest it can get to is threefold numbers in terms of standard bearing, which is the 360. So it's safer to represent in threefold numbers as it were. So in case I am to represent, say, 50 degree or say 150 degree on the bearing, I start my reading from the 0, I get 0 which is 90, then I go on, then I strike it down. I know the whole of this is what my 150 degree as it were, 150 degree. But this don't forget that this same 150 degree, since here is 90, then here will be 60 degree. So 150 degree is just the same as saying 60 degree south east. Yes, that's how it's represented. So I'll come again. Bearing can be defined as a direction that is measured in degree. There are three basic things that will be noted as touching bearing. One is that we take our reading from the north, and number two is that our reading is taken clockwise, and number three is we write our bearing in threefold numbers for better representation. So these are things I believe you should know before you start your journey into learning about the bearing and the distance. Thank you so much. Please do it to subscribe and turn on your notification bell in case any video drops. I'll get it as soon as possible. See you in the next